Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cook in this, a tomahawk steak. Now there's only one seasoning we can use with this, and that's Uncle Steve's thick meat. Let's cook. This tomahawk weighs 1.5 kilos, that's just over £3. We're going to be taking Uncle Steve's thick meat shake and we're going to give it a good covering. This is a big piece of meat, so this can take a lot of flavour. We're just making sure all the surfaces are covering of the shake. And I'm going to leave this to rest while we get the fire going. So today, to monitor this cook, we're going to be using the Meter Plus. We want to get right into the middle of this eye here of the steak to monitor the temperature there. Also, we need to get in past that line as well. We've got some good coals burning away here. We're going to get this on the grill. Now, I'm going to use this lid. This is kind of cooking indirect. As you can see, I've got the grill grate lifted all the way up. I've got the heat coming up underneath and being trapped under this lid. We're running about 120 degrees C here. That's 248F. This steak's had 30 minutes and it's hit about 25 degrees C, that's 77 degrees F. So I'm just going to turn it. Get the lid back on and we're going to cook it to 50 degrees C, that's 122F. So now we've hit 50 degrees C, that's 122F. We're going to take it off. We're going to get some good hot coals going. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. All you've got to do is hit that subscribe button. And now we're going to put it back on and reverse sear. It's the bar, you can hear it sizzling. And all we're going to do now, after 90 seconds, is rotate this to about 45 degrees to give us that lovely cross pattern. Another 90 seconds and we're going to flip this. So this tomahawk went back on at 50 degrees C, that's 122F. And we're looking to hit 60 degrees C, that's 140F. So after a further 90 seconds, we're doing our last 45 degree turn. Now our tomahawk is ready. Look at that lovely reverse sear on there. We're going to let this sit now and rest, covered for about 20 minutes. This is our graph produced by the Meter Plus. This has been resting. All we're going to do, we're going to take a good sharp knife and we're going to run it down the bone. We're going to let the bone guide us. Now we're going to carve this steak. I must admit, this knife is cutting through this steak like a hot knife through butter. I think we'll cut a slice and we'll have a taste. To me, that's a good medium steak. You can really taste that Uncle Steve shake coming through. I'm going to keep on cutting and slicing. Now to me, these tomahawks are okay, but I'm not a fat lover. And to me, there's a lot of fat running through this. At the temperature we've been cooking at, the fat's just simply not rendered out. Lovely colour from the Uncle Steve's thick meat shake. But to be honest, I think I prefer thick ribeye. So next, I'm going to be cooking a 2-inch thick ribeye. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.